Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Imam Ali narrates that a Jew had to take back a few dinars from the Prophet. He came to the Prophet and said,
"O Muhammad, I have come here to take back the dinars you have borrowed."
The Prophet of Islam had not said anything yet.
"What happened? Are you not able to give it back? I will not leave until I get my money back."
The Prophet said,
"I am here, sitting with you."
The Messenger of Allah sat with this man for many hours. The noon prayers, Maghrib and Esha prayers and the next day morning prayers were also offered there. The companions were angry because of this act of the Jew. They started scaring him.
"You are not ashamed. How are you behaving with the Messenger of God?
That too for a few dinars. It's better you move on, otherwise the result will not be good."
The Messenger of God turned his face towards the companions and said,
"Do not say anything to him."
O Messenger of Allah, how can we see that a Jew is insulting you by making you his prisoner?
The Prophet said,
"My Lord has sent me as one who does not oppress those who are believers but disbelievers as well."
Seeing this made the Jew think of his actions and he started talking to himself.
"I bear witness that there is no God but Allah."
When the Jew saw the morality of the Prophet of Islam, he recited the testimonies and looking at the Holy Prophet, he said,
"O Messenger of Allah, forgive me. I swear I didn't do this to you. I just wanted to see if the morals written in the Jewish holy book Torah about you were true. This is how I read your name and attributes. His name is Muhammad bin Abdullah. The place of birth is Mecca. I'm not rude at all. I have witnessed the monotheism of Allah and your prophethood, and I offer half of my wealth in the service of Allah and in your service. Spend it as Allah commands."
Yes, the morals of the Prophet changed the heart of the Jew and he became a Muslim with the guidance given to him by the Holy Prophet.